Am I leaving the dream job? Yes. And here's why. Because I grew up a die-hard Saints fan, born and raised. My earliest memory is watching Saints football with my dad. He's the biggest Saints fan I know. You're part of the team, you're covering the team, and I'm just as excited that we get to beat the Buccaneers as I was my first year that we beat them. You know what I mean? 10 years. The oldest tenured head of social in the NFL. Our main goals here is increasing audience, but also engagement and kind of customer service almost. You have to treat the accounts as you're just a fan that has more access than a normal fan.
Hey Joe, what's up man? Drew Brees, New Orleans Saints. Man, I just want to tell you congratulations on winning the Heisman.
You want to give them behind the scenes look, but also be respectful to basketball ops or football ops needs or corporate partnership, community relations. There's so many different hats that we have to answer to and work with. A lot of the domino effect of where I've become now is because of going to LSU. Graduated in 4 years, but I stayed next year because this is like a sports fan thing. So my last year of school actually was 06. We had a very, very good football team, and we had a really good team coming back. And so I tried to convince my boss, Michael Barnett, who's still at LSU, to keep me on for one more year because I felt like it's going to be a great year and I want to be a part of it. And I wanted one more year of working there. He worked out with me, and I stayed on for years, basically a kind of a graduate assistant role. And it worked out very well because that very next year, we won the national title.
There you go, the final score, LSU 38, Ohio State 24.
Let's say if you don't work in athletics, there's a humongous music scene, there's a huge food scene, there's a huge film scene where you can get your window in just to get some experience, and that can lead you down the road to your career path. I mean, I can't stress enough how the best decision I ever made was going to LSU because of the doors open for me, because of the relationships I built there that I still have to this day. I can't put a value on how important that was for me, for my career, but also personally. It's just you can't get that experience anywhere else.